With AT&T Collaborate Enhanced Mobile, you can use your computer for audio and video conferencing, screen sharing, and scheduling meetings. But first you need to download and install the Collaborate Meetings app. This video shows you how. Note, you can attend a Collaborate meeting as a guest with limited privileges. If you want to do that, use the link in the meeting invitation to install the Collaborate Meetings app and skip the rest of this video. But if you want to have full privileges with Collaborate Meetings, before you start the download process, first make sure you can install software on your computer, you're provisioned for Collaborate Meetings, you can access AT&T Business Center and the Collaborate homepage, and you have a Collaborate app password. For more information about access and passwords, watch the video Set Up Your Account to Access Tablet and Desktop Apps. Now, let's get started. Log into Business Center at businesscenter.att.com. On the Collaborate homepage, click Equipment. Scroll down and click Go to the Desktop App and Web Experience page. In this video, we're using a computer running Microsoft Windows. If you're using an Apple computer, the screens may look a little different. We'll describe the process for Apple computers so you can follow along. Under AT&T Collaborate Meetings, click Download for the operating system you're using. When the download page appears, under AT&T Collaborate Meetings Client for Meetings, click Download. If you're using Windows, click Run. If you're using an Apple computer, click Continue. When the installation is complete, the sign-in page for the Collaborate Meetings app opens. Click Sign In. Enter your phone number and your Collaborate app password. Click Sign In. The Collaborate Meetings app opens. And that's it! You can begin using Collaborate Enhanced Mobile and the Collaborate Meetings app for audio and video conferencing, screen sharing, and scheduling meetings. Want to learn more? Check the Business Center Help menu for more videos and step-by-step help.